Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today is this October update in this garden. So far it has been really rainy here in Florida, and I have some still few plants here in the garden. So I'm gonna share this to you guys. So I still have some sweet potatoes here. I have harvested some, have part of it, and still have some sweet potatoes over here. And maybe the end of autumn I'll try to harvest them. It's still pretty green, even though some of the leaves starts to yellow. And over here, look at this, guys. Here are some vines here. We have rabbits here that loves sweet potato leaves, and they really like sweet potatoes. They just munch around. And over here still have some lemongrass. These are some of the ones that is separated, and they just really clump up together. And here I still have some zinnias. These are like red orange ones, and butterflies and bees really love them. I didn't plant so many flowers this season, but these are one of the flowers. I highly recommend the zinnia because they're really very bright and flowery. And over this way, this is my first time ever growing mulberry tree. I have some avocado saplings here, small ones, but also I have here one that it's a little bit taller. This one really was hit by cold last season, and it just really sprung out again. Over here still have some banana trees. These are dwarf version, and over this way have some more. This one, it's still growing, and I don't know if it will bear fruit, but it's already autumn here. Maybe next year it will. And here, this is my first time also growing an apple tree. I forgot what kind of apple is this. Anyway, this is my first time growing apple tree. And then here still have grapes. So far, it fruit this year. These are like the green grapes. I did experiment. I tried them planting in a pot, but really, I think they will do best and in ground. And here I have some blackberries. It flowers some, but I think it needs a lot of sunlight. And over this way, I have in this area of the garden where I just let wildflowers grow, and it's very important because bees and insects and really pollinators in general love flowers, so it helps in your garden, even though how small it is or you're growing in pots. It's great to have flowers to invite bees and pollinators that will help you with your vegetables. And here in one part of the garden, decided to clean this area and try to plant some new seedlings. Have some lemon trees here, and they still don't have fruit yet, so let's try to see if they will next year. Decided to plant some vegetables for the fall here, some kales and Swiss chards. And I think for this season is embracing that in the garden is always transforming, and there's nothing constant. So if you have a garden, it is really okay to know that garden evolve and not always be the same. You always the seasons will going to tell you that you will not always be planting the same vegetables all year round, especially if you live in a country that it's have different seasons from spring to winter. So there you go, guys. These are some of the vegetables and small fruit trees that I have here in the garden. And thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comment section how you're doing in your garden, and please let me know what are you growing this seasons. And if you are in the hotter climate or in the tropics, I have some videos there for you if you want to check it out how to grow some of the vegetables if you are just starting in your garden. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.